Hi Capricorns, welcome back to my channel. Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SASHELLS, Shells Running. This is going to be for April, though timeless, but for April, the highest energy, twin flame soulmates and connections. Okay, let's start with your reading now. Capricorns are getting the vibe of like, you need to step up the ladder here. It's like something that you need to put in your effort to make things come together, basically. It is about possibly your work situation. Maybe it is about two other energies here that you need to bring together here. Maybe it is something connected with your personal matter. Okay, we're going to dig deep in the tarots, but I see and hear that you are just stepping up the ladder in order to bring something which is out of the ladder. You need to bring it together inside. Okay, you also have the bottom energy. I'm going to shuffle and I'm going to have the flip here, but you have two of pentacles energy here. Okay, and this might be telling that you are like looking at one thing, but you know that you cannot lose on the other, lose the other thing, or lose the other connection, or lose other anything, whatever it is connected. Okay, so let's see what it is. Yeah, look, this is about balancing out things. You are not in the situation to just let it pass. Something, whatever it is. This may be professional, personal matters in order to, I'm hearing the word sacrifice kind of. I mean, with the fact that you need to put something on hold to get something along. Put something on hold to get something along, and later on you're going to decide on. Now here you go. If this is about someone in particular, you can't let loose of that person, okay, or energy here, and that's why it is coming like, you cannot just think of like, I need to, just drop it and I need to focus on this. No, there is something which is so important that you cannot let loose. That's all. Look, you might be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, but Capricorns, you are going to have a fast communication. And I feel like it's just not about communication, it is about your action that you're going to take in order to secure both. You cannot let loose. Recording time was 0222. Okay. You cannot lose. This is what you desire the most. This may be your career. This may be something in two hands, and you don't know what to do now. I mean, you cannot hurt this person. You cannot hurt your work as well. This is about dreams and person. This may be between two energies as well. Okay. Yeah. Yes, of course, there is something that you need to say. Securing it before you lose the full contact. Like something is going out, and that's why I said that stepping up. Let's see your energy here. Making a move that someone over here is not making but missing. Okay. It's like I am hearing like how long you're going to pretend. If this is like someone who is trying to control and curb and whatever, it's not supposed to be done this way. There is something which is required on your part. Okay, and you also have Five of Wands energy. This may be your own struggle right now, the challenges or issues or certain kind of thing that is going and triggering. I heard the word trigger. There's a trigger, and why it is happening between the relationships. Okay, someone doesn't believe you or you don't. I heard trust issues, but this is also the energy of overall which you need to work on. Okay, I hear that you're unable to focus. Someone over here, if this is your energy, someone over here is unable to focus on what is actually here in front, and they need to put an effort to resolve something. Only then you can proceed with something else. That's what I said, that there's a juggle going on. There is something that is, it's like stepping out of the ladder, which you need to bring back in order to bring the balance on the ladder, basically. Otherwise it's going to whoosh. Okay, you need not to slip down, and for that you need to do this, whatever it is. Okay, I heard the word understanding. I feel like this may be from both the sides, because you need to understand there is something that is off here. So maybe you are not making that move you're supposed to, or someone made the move and you're not taking it because there is something in front of you that you are more concerned. But I feel like you need to resolve this. Look, there is also the devil. Something that might be that you know that I should just let it pass. So maybe it's between two energies. Maybe it's about your past and now. And there is someone who does care for you. The devil is a Capricorn. This is your wife, honey. Okay, and for most of you it is about something that you are figuring out. This may be your own struggle, this may be something connected with your habit or some kind of pattern with someone. You really need to lose out on this. I mean, lose out on this means you need to let loose, you need to let go of this so that you can concentrate, focus on your present and your future, because there are many things that I see, those are good. Okay, those are good. You just in the phase where you don't realize, or you're just not accepting something. I feel like you're not accepting something, rather you're getting triggered with something that was. So it's about the ladder. Okay, so your energy mode is about, they're saying that you need to step up the ladder in order to reach and in order to come out of this, your own fears possible, your own nervousness. There's a kindred spirit kind of energy. Okay, maybe this is reunion, maybe this is a bounce back here, or maybe you have this, they're going to bounce back. Okay, but I see in front of you something. If it is something new, yeah, it is worth, because it is supposed to take you out from that juggle situation. You are at the point where you know that this is what worth is. Okay, so there's going to be decision in life. There is something or someone who does want to make something work with you. Yes, 10 of Cups energy. So stepping up the ladder is going to be a little difficult because it's going to be different pathway. So basically you can say that this is a different pathway for me. In the month of April, it's about you getting more focused on what is more important or what is giving you that importance. And Page of Cups, this may be from Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Not necessarily, this may be just the energy. And someone over here, its first thing is missing. Second thing, this may be a Pisces in particular for some of you, or water sign, or just an emotional state here. I see like this is something that they are offering. Look at this. They're offering, but you're just not looking at that. But you realize, you have that feeling of like, I feel like Capricorns are like sitting like this and, okay. Like it's kind of energy when you self-understand, or you self-understood basically, that yes, this is what I should go for, this is what worth is. So there is a worth thing that is coming, or that is around you. This may be your friend, this may be someone who's interested in you, this may be someone new, okay? And they're coming with like that kind of energy. Appreciate the love that you are getting right now, okay? I know it is difficult, especially if it was like a patterned relationship or something abusive or something that was not right for you, or something that was off track, or something that you wanted so bad and it's like not giving you that you desire because it is unhealthy or was unhealthy. Look, devil is your card, like, okay, so something is in your control. If you don't want that, you should not go with that. Okay, it's your own something kind of like complexities or insecurities that we need to work on, because we feel that we are not being able to come out of that, which is not the case. Okay, I feel that there is something. Okay, and also apart from the Capricorn, obviously Taurus, Virgo energy is here. Look, oh my god, I was just cutting the deck and there came, first was the Six of Swords energy, that is a move on and taking the experience along. And the second thing is a Temperance, maybe a Sagittarius, but with this, I feel like it's like people who are meant to coming along. There is someone who is balancing you out, or there is some stage which is coming into balance, because I said so, that you are, stepping up the ladder and something is out and you're bringing that in so that the ladder is not going like this, okay? It goes straight. So let's see a little bit more, and then I'm going to dig deep with my own cards here, customized, that I am using. Something is closing. Something is closing, but something is stretching. With the fact that there is something coming along the route, then you may expect communication, you may expect this message, you may expect, I'm sorry, I'll be back. Look, I was about to speak something and it just blocked my throat. It was like, something happened, if you had noticed. Possible it was something new I was about to say, and it blocked. So possible it is about something that you need to overcome here in order to be here. So basically you need to close something that is very fast and unorganized in your life first, and then there is something coming. Now with the Seven of Cups reverse, my whole deck is erect though, I don't know, because this is the call. Seven of Cups is reverse means no more confusions here, and I don't think that you need assurance from anyone here now. It's about your decision, okay? Looks good. I'm having hiccups. Now, someone you are not, let's just say that. This is someone who is not triggering you, but this is someone you are not accepting. Possible for whatever reason you have, there is a hung situation. Okay? So this is about your thinking, overthinking. There is someone. It's also some emotional stage that you're coming out of. I feel like you're coming from a place where you got way emotional and upset, obviously, for some of you. But Capricorns are letting loose, okay, and getting back together the stuff of emotions that is with you. Now here, this may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay. Now with the Devil card, there's also a bounce back. So possible this person is trying to come back, okay, in a new form. If this is the thing, you know it. But if this is something that you're coming from, it's basically some off situation that you're coming from, okay. We're going to see in here now. Capricorns, Wheel of Fortune. Situation is changing for you guys. It's like you are going to drive. You're going to drive your emotions. You're going to drive your situation here. Which is the Sun is a Leo, but this is also something very beautiful of the birth of something. New love here. New situation that is creating. I said so that you're stepping up the ladder. It is also something that you are bringing something in control. So basically, Wheel of Fortune is your emotional situation is changing on a high level, okay? And something will be brought to you. Oh my God, I said something will be brought to you. What you do is your stuff. Now for some cases, it's about someone who never took any step is now going to take the step because they want to reunite with you. Now for some cases, they may travel back to you. They may communicate back to you. Listen, okay? I'm sorry for that. They may communicate back to you. They may travel back to you. And they're going to take certain step. You might be in a long-term relationship or marriage or however your situation is. There's a Hierophant, there's a Taurus, there's Ace of Wands, which is my karma card. So someone is going to put out that step here. But I feel some of you are closing something in order to bring balance in your ladder. And I said so, I talked about two energies. So possibly it is about you are taking action or someone is going to take action for the sincerity, and that's when your wheel is under control. This is a karmic relationship some of you are going to make amends with. For some cases, it is going to be new relationship. Okay, this is about unions as well. It is also about closures, and it is also about new love, but also lifetime kind of like in any lifetime you have this connection here. So someone is here, they are, if this is new or however it goes, there is someone who is missing you. There is someone who does want to be with you. They want you to recognize that I'm here. Okay, so this is, don't try to bring someone who is already out of the ladder inside again and again, okay, because it's your pathway. So basically your ascension is here. I feel that there is certain kind of relationship which is going for ascension, and this is the right action that you're supposed to take. I feel like this person wants to be with you. They are in for a long-term relationship, okay, with you, like ready, and also you, but you are thinking about it, obviously. Look, for Ace of Pentacles energy, this is someone who is very serious and sincere, as square as I say in my readings. Oh, I know you have curiosity for this King of Cups. I'm going to take out the card. But I feel like there is someone who is missing you. Now, one thing, this is going to be beautiful opportunity or love that is coming in your life. Ace of Pentacles, maybe work related or maybe relationship related. It is going to be sincere matter that is laying the foundation for the coming time. With the Five of Cups energy, this is on King of Cups. There is something that you were disappointed with. You got emotionally upset, and this may be totally different thing here. But if this is someone who is resurging, Six of Cups, yeah, and you were not in talking terms or you were at cross with someone, again, you're making certain decision, but I still feel there is like two energies like around you, okay? So maybe this is new and the old. However, your Wheel of Fortune is turning. Now decision is in your court, okay? You may expect some peace call. There's a peace call, okay? Yeah, strength. This decision is going to make you feel strong and weak at the same time. How does it work? There may be a Leo, someone who is feeling they don't want to lose you possible, and they want to surrender here. Now if this is a resurgence, then may go for like your 5 of Cups, your 6 of Cups energy kind of. But if this is something that you are about to make your decision, it's going to make you weak first emotionally, and then it's going to be the decision, boom. Okay, something that's going to feel though, oh my god, it hurts, but yeah, you're going to make it. Now I'm going to use this deck. There's someone who is an escapist for some of you. They did possible, and that's why they need to go with this 5 of Cups energy, because they made you feel that. Okay, someone is going to feel like, I want to confess, I want to talk to you, that kind of energy. It's like with a heavy breath, someone is saying a lot of stuff, all of a sudden. Look, there's a stay. Someone does want you to stay, so maybe this energy is going with that. Or possible if it is with you, they want you to stay. They want to stay with you happily ever after. There's also question, okay, which is upside down here. You don't know what to do. I heard someone's heavy breath here. I don't know. Capricorns. Look, this question is flipping like this, vertical, which is, yes, there's going to be question on whether you stay or you make a move. Whether you stay with this person or you make a move with the new, however it goes. It's also the copy question again and again with someone who does tell you to stay, and then there's a silence between you both. You're supposed to make wise decisions, obviously. You cannot make decisions on the basis of the pattern or something that is abusive or was abusive and was not right for you, okay? So you need to make the decision, and you're going to be a little bit silent, or you have silence with this person, okay? There's something that is copy paste kind of energy. Do you have something else to say? Yeah. It's tea and coffee. Okay, it's never the same. But I feel messenger can't stop, which is about you may receive messages, especially with 8 of Wands energy as well. But with the tea and coffee, you will have choice. You might have dealt with the tea, you might have dealt with the coffee, you might have, this person is totally different, whoever this is, okay? And with someone you can never have the same approach to some concept. But there is also someone I talked about too, so maybe this is about tea coffee kind of vibe, where someone is saying someone who is copying you and saying, or you might be, okay, it doesn't matter, I'll have coffee with you, or I'll have tea with you, it doesn't matter, like a copy, okay? There's always, they ask, there's someone who's going to ask you, okay? It's like, tea or coffee? Maybe you're going on a date here, tea or coffee? And they're going to order the same thing that you are ordering, or vice versa. And it's going to be the stay moment. You're going to stay in that moment, live in the moment, okay? That's what I see, which is good. Which is good, honey, honey. Look, for some of you, it's about 2 of Cups energy, Wheel of Fortune, and 4 of Swords. Okay, again, there's a 4 of Cups. In this deck, the 4 of Cups is so cute. Look, the apple is in front of you. You need to eat it, but some of you should not eat that apple because it's rot, okay? Some of you. Now here you go, you have 2 of Cups energy. So for some cases, you're going to be with the right person. You may reunite, you may unite with them person. You may go on a date here. I see a very happy, friendly, jolly kind of energy for you. Wheel of Fortune, things are looking up for you. Ascension, as I talked about, you're going to be the wheeler, like kind of energy. 4 of Swords is telling that it's high time. This is also retreat with the person, but this is someone who is bringing you out of that chamber or anything, okay? Whatever it is. The 4 of Cups energy, yeah, there is something. This was the first energy card you had. Look. So, take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.